In this video, we will show how to manually regenerate the softener. To start, press any button and the screen will display as shown. You'll then need to press and hold the menu button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep, which indicates that you have unlocked the valve. Press and release the Set Regen button and the display screen will state Delayed Regen Off. So press and release the Set Regen button again and it'll now state Delayed Regen On. The softener has now been queued to regenerate tonight. The display screen will then begin to scroll through its various diagnostics and you'll eventually arrive on the screen that shows Delayed Regen On, which is confirmation that the system will perform its regeneration this evening at 2 a.m. If you wish to start an immediate regeneration, simply press and hold the Set Regen button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the screen displays regeneration immediately. Then press the Set Regen button again and the control valve will begin an immediate regeneration. The display screen will begin to flash, advancing to backwash. When the control valve arrives at the backwash position, the time remaining will begin to count down to 0. Then the control valve will advance on its own to the brine draw cycle. When the softener has completed its brine draw cycle, it will then advance to the rinse cycle and count down to 0, and then the valve will continue on to the refill cycle where the appropriate amount of water will be placed back into the cabinet's brine tank. Once complete, the control valve will advance back to the in-service position where the date and time will be displayed. The softener has now completed a full regeneration and is ready to provide treated water to the home.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.